Cheers to Nature Spring Water with tethered caps. A clever design that keeps the cap attached to the bottle, so you just twist, flip, and lock. No more worries about losing your cap or dirty surfaces. And it's resealable. When you're done, recycle them together for a cleaner world. Nature Spring Water with tethered caps. Hydration with a purpose.